Welcome to my channel. Today, I will update my inav GPS card with Philippine map. As of this moment, my map version is 2018 Q3. At first, locate your GPS card, and eject the card from the slot. Now from your computer, open an internet browser. Then visit and browse to inav.ph. Click Downloads. Open Map Updates. From here, select your car manufacturer. All cars that are using an inav GPS card is listed here. My inav GPS card came from Toyota, so I will open Toyota. Open OEM. For the version, select the latest one. At this moment, the latest is 2019 Q1. From here, you can download what model of the car, where your inav GPS is from. Mine is from 2016 Fortuner V. Click to download. Wait until the download is completed. The file size is more than 1 GB, so the download time will depend on your internet download speed. While waiting the download to be completed, let's download and install WinRAR. If WinRAR is already installed on your computer, skip this step. Visit and browse win-rar.com. WinRAR is now installed. Now, the downloaded inav GPS update file is now complete. Let's now insert your inav GPS card to your computer, using a micro SD card reader. From your computer, wait until the inav GPS card to be read. Then back up all the contents of your GPS card to a separate folder on your computer, so that you have a copy of the original files, if something wrong occurred during updating. Please wait until the transfer is completed. It will take few minutes. Let's now start the update. Open and run the file you've downloaded for your inav GPS card. For Windows 10, this message will pop up. Just click More Info, then click Run Anyway. Just follow the instructions given by the program or updater. At this moment, update is in progress. This might take up to more than 10 minutes. After few minutes, it will display a message that the update was successful. Press any key to exit the updater. Eject, or safety remove your inav GPS card from your computer. You can now remove it from your computer. Finally, we will install our inav GPS card back to our head unit. Then we will test and check if the map is already updated.